In today's tech video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to mirror your Android phone to your
Firestick.
Whether you want to stream videos, share photos, or play games on the big screen, mirroring your phone is the way to go. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. First thing you need to do is make sure your Android phone and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is key because both devices need to communicate with each other over Wi-Fi. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on your TV. Next, you'll need to enable screen mirroring on your smart TV. Different TV brands have different names for this feature, like screen mirroring, cast, or smart view. For most TVs, you can find this under Settings or Input. Look for the screen mirroring option and turn it on. Step 3. Open screen mirroring on your Android phone. Now grab your Android phone and pull down the Quick Settings menu by swiping down from the top of your screen. Look for an option that says Cast, Screen Mirroring, or Smart View, depending on your phone model. Tap on it and it will start searching for nearby devices. Step 4. Select your TV from the list. After tapping on the screen mirroring option, you'll see a list of nearby devices. Select your smart TV from the list. Your phone will start connecting to the TV. Step 5. Confirm the connection on your TV if needed. Some smart TVs might ask you to confirm the connection before the mirroring starts. Just use your TV remote to approve the connection and you're all set. Step 6. Enjoy your mirrored content. And that's it. Your Android phone is now mirrored on your smart TV. You can stream videos, view photos, browse apps, and even play games, all from your phone on the big screen. It's a great way to enjoy content with family and friends. Troubleshooting tips. If for some reason the connection doesn't work, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. Make sure both your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, restart both devices, or check if your phone's software needs an update. These usually solve most issues, and that's how you mirror your Android phone to your smart TV. It's a simple, effective way to enjoy your phone's content on a bigger screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.